Those druggies have costed the ANC. One druggie was even saying, seeing the ANC at 40, here in Joburg, at 43, a druggie was saying, yeah, we want Joburg, your drugs are dangerous. This artist, the way he's so innocent, he took Nyaup and thought 43% means winning. He thinks it's simple like that. When the other one is 43, and the rest is 33 and 11, he thinks, oh, we have won, you druggie. And then a drunkard minister retweeted the druggie. The druggie says we have won. The drunkard retweets the druggie. The drunkard doesn't clarify, no man, you are embarrassing us. Remember, the drunkard was the first one to declare a victory in PE because the drunkard said, we won more words, therefore we have won. You drunkard didn't see it coming. That's the problem of having ministers who are drunkards.